Hearty welcome to all the blockchainers. We welcome you to this blockchain mastery workshop. We understand that you have taken this course to upskill yourself on blockchain, and we are here to fulfill the promise. This will be an orientation section where we walk you through what to expect out of this course, how you can navigate through the course, the videos, the Q&A, etc. We'll jump in and find out more about it. Every day morning at 7 a.m. IST, you'll receive a mail like this, where you'll have all the links required for you to navigate through the course. The first thing you'll notice here is this link where you can go and watch the video. Once you click on this link, it will take you to a new page where you can play the video. But before that, you need to enter a password. Go back to the mail, copy this password given in the mail itself and enter it in this place so that you can get access to the video. This player has all the controls for you to navigate through the course. Once you start playing the video, you will be able to go through any section and change the speed of this video as well. Now, when you are going through this course, let's say you are in Bitcoin architecture and you want to know more about it or have a query upon this. You can go to the comment section and type in your comments. What is Bitcoin architecture, let's say. You can also notice that this records a time at which you are posting your question as well. Once you post the question, this will be available for anyone to watch. We are trying to bring in a peer-to-peer kind of a learning here, and hence anyone who is watching this video and he knows the answer for that, you'll get an answer to it immediately. And that's how you get your queries answered. Also, we are going live at 8 p.m. IST every day to answer your questions. To watch that, go through this link and join the live Q&A section. You can either join through the browser itself or download the software to access this Q&A session. In a case where you are not able to come for the live Q&A session, we are going to answer all your queries that you have posted on the comments and give that video access as well for you. So you can go through the video the next day to get your queries answered. Let's look at a few more things that you need to keep in mind for this course. In this course, you're going to just spend about 2 hours every day to learn and upskill on this blockchain technology. Of course, we do understand there are contingencies and hence you might need time, and hence Wednesday will be an off day for you. This is for people who cannot complete the 2-hour sessions on Monday and Tuesday. You can use the time to catch up with the sessions. Of course, it will be an off day for the session but not for the Q&A. We want you to come for the Q&A session on Wednesday to clarify all of your other queries as well. Now Saturday, the day 5, is going to be one of the most important and most exciting session of this entire course. This will be the session in which we'll be creating our own wallet, our own cryptocurrency, we'll be transferring the cryptocurrency to someone, etc. Now, all the bonuses that we promised to you and much more than that will be available to the people who attend this live session only. So make sure you attend this live session on Saturday. One thing you need to keep in mind is the expiration of these videos. When you start the session on Monday, your videos will be available to you for access only till the Sunday. And hence, we bring in discipline and seriousness into this course and hope you complete the course by the expected timeline. By that, you get the maximum benefit out of this course as well. So remember, the Q&A session will go live every day at 8 p.m. so that you can interact with the trainer and get your queries answered. Also, remember to attend this day 5 of this blockchain course, and hence you get the hands-on experience of creating your own cryptocurrency as well as all the other bonuses. One of the things that you need to do here is to save this mail ID, theblockchainpost@gmail.com, in your contact list so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. This ensures that the mail that we send to you is not going to spam or any other folders. As you know, mail is the primary mode of communication that we are going to have with you, and hence this becomes very important. I hope this orientation session was really helpful for you to understand how to navigate through this course and get the maximum benefit out of it. Hope to see you in the live Q&A session tomorrow, and happy blockchain learning. See you.